Hey guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to create a boot using WriteSonic AI. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your Chrome and at the search engine over here, type writesonic.com. And of course, you have to log into your account, and once you're done, you can now see your dashboard, same like this. And so, let us move on to the next step. Over here at the left part of the screen, upper left, there's a 3 line here, so just tap that and click Botsonic. Alright? So, as you can see, there's a word create new and create a boot. Don't worry guys, because they are just the same. So now, let us click this create a boot, and of course, we have to give the name of our boot. Let's say, for example, we are going to name it real estate, this one, and then click continue. So after that, let us just wait for a couple of seconds or a moment, depending on depending to our connection, the internet connection. All right. So now, the name of our boot is now ready, and we have to wait again for the next step. Okay. So as you can see, guys, we can now upload the documents or add links to the knowledge base or the website to train the Botsonic on, of course, our own data. All right. So let's say, for example, we are going to add a frequently asked questions to this boot. So let's stop this facts. All right. And scroll on your phone over here. There's a word add a frequently asked question. So tap this, and now we can now start typing our question. Let's say, for example, can you recommend me a real estate agent? All right, and of course we have to input also our answer. Let's say yes, of course. Okay, Mr. Thompson, let's say, for example, is our best real estate agent. All right. After that, click save, and of course wait for a couple of seconds to generate our boot. All right. So after that, guys, this is our question. So if you want to add more frequently asked questions, just type again this or tap this again. All right. And now let's check. So let's tap these 3 lines and then click your boots. Okay. So let's check our boot if it works. And now this is the name of our boot. Click preview. Okay. And it says here, hey there, how can I help you? So now let's say, for example, let's act like a client, for example. So I am going now to tell or to ask, can you recommend me a sales or real estate agent? Okay. So can you recommend me a real estate agent? So now our boot will answer based on the given answer, of course, that we have done a while ago. So now it says here, yes, of course, Mr. Thompson is our best real sales agent. All right, so as you can see, it works. So there we go. This is on how to create a boot using WriteSonic AI. So if you want to know how to create a boot using WriteSonic AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to create if you know how to create a boot using WriteSonic AI, then just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!